a crocodile who gives a silver cup from the Nile. A long-necked camel who gives is a casket of Indian enamel. Ma tappuga vestunnadu nu vesi cheyipichu adugina. Comes the fifth. A monkey who writes his gift is a book, The Arabian Nights. Here comes the sixth. A she-wolf whale who brings for the bride a scarf from Spain. Here comes the seventh. A polar bear who gift is a beautiful Russian chair. Here comes the eighth. To the fox marriage, a horse who has got him a five-wheeled carriage. Here comes the ninth. A jackal who brings the bride and the bridegroom 2 diamond rings. Here comes the 10th. If you please,
uninvited,
the guests at the wedding are getting excited. He comes from somewhere and teaches zoology. What is his gift? An empty apology.
అంటే ఏంటి ఎంటీ అపాలజీ అంటే?
అది వచ్చి ఏమీ ఎత్తరాలేదు.
ఎందుకు తీసుకురాలేదు?
వాళ్ళని పిలినే లేదు.
మళ్ళీ పిలవకపోతే రాకూడదు కదా?
వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు
మరి రాకూడదు కదా?
రావచ్చు.